Draw the circle. Cut out the circle. Cut out the circle. Fold the round paper. Fold the round paper. Fold the round paper. Cut it along the center. Cut it along the center. Cut it along the center. Take one part. Take one part and fold it with upper direction. Fold it again. Fold it again. Cut it as shown from the middle of that, from the middle of it paper. Fold upward वरच्या दिशेने. Now form a beak. Beak means चोच. And your bird is now ready. Show your bird, Sapnali. Show your bird. Show. Okay, thank you.